The main thing I'm doing back here is removing all of this black stuff. It's like a sound deadening garbage, but it's all dirty, so I'm going to take it all out. This side's mostly done. I just got a few pieces there, that piece, and some of this here, and I'm going to replace that all. Oh yeah, and I took off this center. There was a sound deadening very similar to this stuff was here, and I removed that because it was all soaked in mouse pee. So there was one chewed wire here, which I repaired, and it has something to do with this lower door switch, but that's fixed. Got the sound deadening in, and I got the wiper arms all lubed and the shaft lubed as well. It comes out and you have to, there's like a C-clip this side. Got most of the sound deadening in. Got this piece back in. It's the brake pedal and brake pedal switch. And this, whatever this thing is. Oh yeah. Painted the steering wheel in some spots where it was rusty. Painted that thing. It was rusty. Painted the pedal. I still have more of this stuff to do on this side. I cleaned up all these wires. They were covered in disgustingness. I re-greased the wiper motor worm gear. This is the climate control unit. So the grease in here, it's pretty smooth, but I'm going to remove this grease and add new grease. And then I'm also, all these pivot points. This thing has lots of pivot points. And these cables, I'm going to oil the cables. I have this tool. Let's see if it works. It moves smoothly, but I can feel that grease drag, and I want it to feel like brand new again. So here's that tool. You put it on the end of the cable, like so. You clamp it on, and then you squirt through this little hole, you squirt in some lube. I'll show you.